Hey guys, we're gonna be doing.
Why'd you go down?
We're gonna be doing the random sound. Fucking. Whoever laughs first. Yeah, you will. But let's get some silence going, and then me, whenever you feel ready, you do the best. Whenever you feel like it.
Yeah.
Fuck your mother. That was fast.
Hey, they can barely see you, bro. Put through your school.
Okay. Okay. Let me see what this. Alright, since. Okay, just start with me again, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start one more time. Everyone gather up. Okay, I'm ready. Stop, bro. It's not that hard. Okay. Come on, reset, full reset. Mia. Alright, stop.
Go. Put on your glasses.
Yeah.
Alright, since we lost, we'll try again. Starting with me. I have something that's gonna make me fucking laugh.
Go.
Fuck it. Here you go.
Huh?
Vampire Richard. Okay. Go, man.
Martin.
Sneaky Link.
Ganja.
Was that the sound? It's just you were smacking your lips. Alright. Damn, okay.
You go. Yeah.
Alright.
Boom.
How do you come up with this, bro? This motherfucker hired a ghost to fucking. God damn, bro. And he cracking his fucking fingers slowly, bro. Alright.
Wait, let's do it. Let's do
Whoop.
this. So, we have to like say a sentence and we have to keep adding on a word.
Okay.
Okay, who's
Guys,
gonna
welcome back. It's the add a sentence, but you keep saying a word. Word.
start? O,
No, you start.
O,
McDonald.
Had
chlamydia.
In.
and in his
One word. Booty cheek.
In.
No, the sentence stopped.
Go, you could keep adding. Let's just keep adding on and on.
And.
He
Ate. Ate.
Feet.
despite
His.
Cancer.
End of sentence.
Cancer is.
Period. Same story though. So he had chlamydia.
Hospitals.
Are.
Two.
Dirty.
For.
The Americas.
That's 2 words.
Him.
But.
He.
Went.
Shooting.
At.
Cuba.
Eso es que bola.
It's 3 words.
His.
Aunt.
Told.
Richard.
That.
He.
Stripped.
Into.
Lingerie.
Small.
Penis.
Was.
Invited.
To.
Participate.
Sexually.
Intercourse.
Word.
Period.
Period.
Bitch.
Said.
Yes.
Is that a new character? Yes.
That's what she said.
No.
Bitch said it's
Period.
serious.
Bitch said. Who said it?
Oh, I thought we were saying like period bitch is the person and they're
Oh,
saying.
you're talking about
Yeah,
Alicia
no.
City Girls.
Oh, period bitch the character?
Yes.
I think you're saying with City Girls something. Period bitch
No.
is you city.
Yeah.
What a period bitch? Period bitch said yes.
Yes.
Lips.
Chapped.
Ointment.
Prescribed.
Period.
Richard.
Is
A.
Asshole.
Fuck you.
and
A.
Narcissist.
and
A.
Booty hole.
because
He.
Shaves.
You're so stupid.
you fucking asshole.
His booty hole.
Fuck you, man. There you go. Shaves. What did he shave?
His
Fangs.
Twilight.
true
Bird.
What did he say?
Bird.
Team.
beach
Is.
One.
fucking
Shit.
Movie. JK.
That's 2 words. You gotta pick one. Movie.
Go.
because
No.
Actors.
get
Sex.
paid
Sex.
in
Teen.
Nick.
Is.
Gay.
person
Nicholas.
Visor.
chances
Are.
Slim.
but
He's.
Going.
to
Come.
Man, I was thinking survive.
I was thinking he's gonna get an STD, but
I was hoping he would come out.
Oh, I was gonna say get an STD. Like mine.
Melanie.
Likes
Omar.
And
lavender booty hole.
That's 2 words.
Booty hole. Wait, that's 2 words. B-O-O-T-Y.
That's 1 word.
Is it 1 word or 2 words? 1? A booty hole.
Of.
sex.
Booty hole. of sex.
Education.
Is.
Delicious.
So why you got a shit GPA?
Cake.
Bad. Cake bad.
Cake bad.
Bad, you threw it out.
Cake bad.
Too grateful.
Cake bad.
Cake bad.
Cake bad.
How long has it been? Alright guys,
Cake bad.
I'll let you know for part 2.